Today's topic is direct and indirect speech. Today's topic is direct and indirect speech. Here example is, he said to me, comma, inverted commas, please wait here, full stop, inverted commas close. Here the sentence begins with verb. This is called imperative sentence. Here the sentence begins with verb. This is called imperative sentence. Here indirect subject is he. The same subject again we must write in indirect. Here reporting verb is said to becomes requested. Here the meaning of the sentence is request. The reporting verb said to becomes requested. In imperative sentence, object is me. The same object again we must write in indirect speech. To is used instead of comma. Here we have written requested. Again we should not write please. Wait, indirect here, indirect there. Answer is, he requested me to wait there. Next example is, he said to the boy, comma, inverted commas, go out, full stop, inverted commas close. Here the sentence begins with the verb. This is called imperative sentence. Here subject is he. The same subject again we must write indirect. Here the reporting verb said to becomes order. Here the meaning of the sentence is order. The reporting verb said to becomes ordered. Object is the boy. The same object again we must write in indirect. To is used instead of comma in imperative sentence. Go out. Answer is, he ordered the boy to go out. Next example is, I said to him, comma, inverted commas, what are you doing now? Question mark. Inverted commas close. Here the sentence ends with question mark. This is called interrogative sentence. Here in inverted commas, the sentence begins with the question word and ends with the question mark. Here subject is I. The same subject again we must write. Here in interrogative sentence, the reporting verb said to becomes asked. Object is him. The same object again we must write him. Here the question word is what. The same question word is used instead of comma. What. Here the pronoun you is changed according to the object. Object is him. Here object is him. Subject is he. You is changed as he. What are you doing now? This tense is in present continuous tense. You must change into past continuous tense. Past continuous tense rule is subject was or were, verb 1 plus ing object. Subject was or were, verb 1 plus ing object. Subject is he, was, verb 1 plus ing, doing, indirect now, indirect then. Answer is, I asked him what he was doing then. Next example is, she said to me, comma, inverted commas, I am writing a poem, full stop, inverted commas close. Here the sentence begins with subject, ends with full stop. This is called assertive sentence. Subject is she. The same subject again we must write in indirect. Here the reporting verb said to becomes told in assertive sentence. Object is me. The same object again we must write in indirect. Here in assertive sentence, that is used instead of comma. Here the pronoun is I. It changed according to the subject. Subject is she. I is changed as she. I am writing a poem. This tense is in present continuous tense. We must change into past continuous tense. Rule is subject was or were, verb 1 plus ing object. Subject she, was, verb 1 plus ing, writing object is a poem. Answer is, she told me that she was writing a poem. Next example, direct speech example is, he said, comma, inverted commas, how beautiful the garden is. Exclamation mark, inverted commas close. Here in the sentence, here is an exclamation mark. This sentence is called exclamation sentence. In direct speech, subject is he. The same subject again we must write. Reporting verb said becomes exclaimed in exclamation sentence. That is used instead of comma. Here the sentence begins with the question word and we must change into subject, verb, object. Subject is the garden. Is past tense was. Verb is past tense was. How beautiful, how it changed as very. Beautiful. Answer is, he exclaimed that the garden was very beautiful. Thank you.